I have edited this video. I have also chosen the thumbnail of this video, and I've also made it so that you can find it on YouTube using SEO. The one thing that you will realize that every successful person has is their own skill set, right? That is something that differentiates them from every other person in the group, in the community, in the world, right? And they might know something special that most of the people do not, and they are skilled at it. That is why they have value, right? And so the number one thing that I've found is that people don't know where to find resources. And the good thing about the internet is that most of these resources are free, right? And so the goal of this video series is actually to give you guys that freedom to get to those resources, right? A lot of people don't know where these particular things are and where should they learn it from, and what are the best sources that will help them to learn that particular skill, right? And so the motive of this video series will be to teach you guys, will be to direct you guys to those particular resources. That could be YouTube videos, that could be some courses that you can do, and that could be some articles, that could be some podcasts. The basic goal is to provide you guys with the resources, right? And then you can learn through it, and then you can just watch it all, and you can learn those skills, right? That is one thing that most successful people have. And so I will try my best to bring out to you guys every single skill that you ever want. That could be public speaking, that could be machine learning, that could be coding, web development, Android development, that could be digital marketing, that could be cloud infrastructure development, anything, right? Whatever you want to learn, there is a place on internet where you can learn it, but you just don't know the right way, the right place where you can learn it. And so I, Ishan Sharma, am going to provide you with the best resources out there on this video series on YouTube. Make sure that you subscribe to the channel, like this video, and share it with your friends who also want to learn something. Guys, skills are the most important thing to learn right now in 2020 and going forward into this new decade. I hope you will understand that, and will watch the next videos coming up. Stay tuned. I'll be talking about everything that you want to learn. You do comment in the comment box below and let me know what skills do you want to learn, and I will provide you with the best resources on the internet. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.